So new fissures emerging in the Aam Aadmi Party after Manish Sisodia has accused Yogendra Yadav of targeting Arvind Kejriwal. Yadav has issued a letter defending himself. The Aam Aadmi Party seems to be losing its way after its poor performance in the polls. He said that besides introspection, the party seems to be moving in the opposite direction. He added that colleagues, supporters and well-wishers of the party were worried about these developments. Earlier, sources had said that Yadav was upset that Sisodia's statement was leaked and that he was not thinking of quitting the party. Aam Aadmi Party leader Naveen Jai Hind, however, hit back at Yadav, saying that he should take responsibility for the party scoring a duck in Haryana. Aam Aadmi Party leader Ilyas Azmi, on the other hand, slammed Sisodia for making the internal matters of the party public. Here's an excerpt from that email. An ugly fight between you and Naveen Jai Hind has been unfolding for the last 15 days. Sad that you have made your spat public and involved the media. The party is being humiliated. Even sadder is the fact that you want disciplinary action against Jai Hind. You didn't get your way, so now you have dragged Kejriwal into your personal fight. When you wanted to be projected as the Haryana chief ministerial candidate despite opposition from other PAC members, Arvind backed you, unquote. And here's what Yadav's letter said, and I quote from it. Now, I had hoped that we would get a chance for discussion and course correction after the Lok Sabha elections. To my mind, we had not lost the elections, but we did start losing something more valuable, our sense of direction and rectitude after the elections. My resignation was above all an attempt to invite my colleagues in the party to face the election outcome and begin collective introspection, unquote.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कौन उसकी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी लेना चाहिए?
योगेंद्र जी को लेनी चाहिए भाई, प्रभारी वो थे। पूरा जो संगठन था, पूरे टिकटें जो हर तरह से उन्होंने इंटरफेयर किया उसमें। हरियाणा में अच्छा संगठन था हमारा, रैली अच्छी हुई थी, सब कुछ अच्छा था, लेकिन हर जगह पे योगेंद्र जी ने हर जगह पूरे देश में जहाँ पे जो आंदोलन के टाइम के जो लोग थे, जो वॉलंटियर थे, जो निस्वार्थ भाव चाहे थे, उनको साइड लाइन लगा दिया। जो चिट्ठी आई है उस चिट्ठी में वो कह रहे हैं कि स्वराज नहीं है। 2 साल से स्वराज कहाँ गया भाई? अब स्वराज याद आया है। गुड़गांव से टिकट दिया गया, स्वराज था वो? किससे पूछ के दिया गया? प्रभारी बनाया गया हरियाणा का, किससे पूछ के बनाया गया? कौन सा स्वराज था? हरियाणा की टीम से पूछ के बनाया था। टिकट दी गई, कौन सा स्वराज था? कार्यकर्ताओं से पूछा गया था? अब स्वराज की बात कर रहे हैं, बड़ी हद की बात है। तो मेरा तो अपना ये मानना कि हमारा फोकस होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोगों को हमारे से उम्मीद है, तो हमारा फोकस होना चाहिए कि हमें कैसे लोगों की उम्मीदों पे खरा उतारना। लेकिन कुछ लोग हैं जो इस पार्टी को बर्बाद करना चाहते हैं, तोड़ना चाहते हैं।
आपको लगता है कि योगेंद्र यादव भी उसी लोगों में से है जो पार्टी को बर्बाद करना चाहते हैं?
ये वो बताएंगे, ये वो उनसे पूछिए कि आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं। मुझे जो लगता है वो बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो दोहरी बातें कर रहे हैं, मीडिया के सामने बहुत मीठी मीठी बातें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो काम कैसे कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में भी होना चाहिए।
मैं उस चिट्ठी से कतई सहमत नहीं हूँ। जोगिंदर यादव बाद में पार्टी में आए हैं, नवीन जय हिंद और मनीष सिसोदिया शुरू से हैं। उसके बावजूद जोगिंदर यादव की सेवाएं इतनी हैं कि मनीष सिसोदिया को हाकिमाना जबान में उनको चिट्ठी बिल्कुल नहीं लिखनी चाहिए थी। चिट्ठी ये लिखने की जरूरत थी तो अरविंद केजरीवाल लिखते। ये मनीष सिसोदिया की मैं गलती मानता हूं कि इस तरह की चिट्ठी उन्होंने लिखी।
Aam Aadmi Party wanted to showcase themselves as a non-conventional party, as an alternate party, political party. Unfortunately, they are behaving no less than what the Congress has been behaving. Like the Congress is guarding, protecting the Gandhi family and blaming everybody else. The same is the state in Aam Aadmi Party. Everybody is to be blamed except Mr. Kejriwal.
CNN IBN's Rupashi Nanda now joining us live. Rupashi, what's happening in the Aam Aadmi Party right now? Do we see the party disintegrating? Will there be an attempt to come back together at all?
Karma, there will be an attempt to come back. Definitely, that is the purpose of this 3-day national executive that will begin a short while from now, the moment Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia reach over here. But a lot of bitterness has already happened and has been caused. A lot of heartburn has been caused, and especially regarding Manish Sisodia's letter, the tone and the tenor and the harsh words that he has used, obviously will not go very well down either with Yogendra Yadav or many others who are watching the leadership from a distance. And remember, he has levelled very serious allegations of whether Yadav was actually trying to finish off the party by trying to win a petty battle with against Naveen Jaihind, and therefore the party has some serious introspection to do. We did have a word with Yogendra Yadav when he arrived over here. He did seem disturbed, but he was not thinking in terms of putting in his papers and walking away from it yet. So definitely there will be an attempt at course correction. Maybe the political affairs committee also will be expanded, but that we will see only after 3 days. Karma?
Right, Rupashi, thanks for that update. We'll continue to track that story.